making a vlog isn't that hard. Oh, it's gonna sting me! Yeah! Duh! Yeah, the Americans don't get that. I think it's perfectly normal to have a wand. It's like there's a little hamster or something in there. This is one of my personal favourites. Oh, we need a random word of the day. 1 second, I'll just run and get a dictionary. Inert. Beanstalk. I loved it. What colour would you say my hair is? I need to get a helicopter first. Wow, that would be so hardcore. One thing which completely and utterly irritates me is Pirates of the Caribbean. I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. Savvy. I used to be called Frizzy. I salute you. You bloody alcoholic. Bloke gets paid for being an arsehole. Can I get paid for being weird? And cookies. Yay, cookies. Most haunted is a big fat fake. I have a really bad phobia of boats. There's Lawrence again. Lawrence, shut up. Do I care? To anybody who fancies him out there, good on you, because somebody needs to. Right, I really would like to throw melons at them. Smibbity. Shelby. British Hero Guy is another YouTuber. Vivicious. FrankiFairy. The lighting's bad!
Frankie comes to the rescue.
Go on!
You look after my base, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Nice.
Frankie, tag! Tag team! This is where Frankie gets beaten up for college.
Me on base.
On a daily basis.
I love Gary!
Frankie's just like attacking everybody.
Because I walked into a lamppost and went, oh, that felt good. I am a 36-year-old Spanish transvestite, currently awaiting the final stages of my sex swap. Because that is the chicken of death. Oh my god. There's a spirit in this room! I can feel it! Sam! Sam! Bring him to me! Sam! Yeah, that's about it. Love you all. Keep rocking. Too hardcore for your face. Bye! Thank you.